Hi guys, I'm Chloe from Brit+Co. How are you?
Good,
Good.
how
How
are
are you?
you?
Good. I'm so excited to chat with both of you. Congratulations on the show, first off. One of my favorite kind of details about the show that I couldn't help but think about as I was watching is how much Hannah and Garrett remind me of a couple from One Tree Hill, Haley and Nathan. It was just kind of like a throwback that I kind of came to mind as I was watching. But I'm curious for both of you as TV fans to start, is there like a TV couple or even a love triangle, since that's so big right now, that you guys are fans of as TV watchers yourselves?
Oh my God.
Yeah, I guess to take it as a film reference, I think like this show has a lot of I guess throwbacks to I guess what the early 2000s sort of rom-coms, whether it be like you said earlier, like Harry Met Sally and
Yeah.
um like 10 Things I Hate About You. I guess like all those I guess sort of
Hmm.
relationships you can kind of see webbed into this.
Yeah, for sure. I love
You
that.
took mine.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was trying to help.
Listen.
Let's do it again.
Yeah, when Harry Met Sally is definitely, oh, such a good one. And I also have to ask, do
You're
y'all
like,
have
oh,
a
you said it
You
favorite,
said
earlier.
it earlier. Yeah.
do y'all have a favorite offset adventure that the cast went on? I love seeing all the characters on screen. I'd love to hear about what it was like, when the cameras weren't rolling.
Oh, I'd be fired. Uh,
We took a family trip to Whistler
yeah.
in the summer, which I'd never been to Whistler in the summer. It's like a ski, it's a mountain.
Oh, fun.
Mm.
Yeah, so that was great.
A lot
We
of
did a
fun.
lot of hiking. We
Yeah,
went to the lake
we did.
and mountain biking too.
Yeah.
Incredible.
Yeah.
Um, is there a group chat that all these plans were made in?
There is.
There, there is. There's a few. Yeah.
There's a few group chats. There's a few group
We
chats.
we we have a girls group chat
Sure.
with Josh and Ella and myself,
It's the
Yeah,
girls,
the non-hockey
the gals.
girls.
Yeah.
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 And then the boys
Incredible.
have their own apparently very active group chat.
Yeah. Ours is pretty active, to be fair, when we're filming.
Ours is actually
Ours is actually working. Yeah.
active.
Yeah, I know. And then there's like I guess a Briar U group chat as well.
Sure, sure, sure. Oh, I love that.
Yeah.
Um, Music is such a memorable part of this show, obviously from a viewer's perspective, but also there's so many conversations that the characters have and so many like moments where y'all are actually singing. Um,
Mm.
and one of my favorite parts of the first episode specifically that I have to bring up is all the conversations about Taylor Swift. I thought were so fun. Is there a Taylor Swift song that y'all would claim for your characters if you're familiar with her catalog?
Oh,
And if not, is there another song you'd claim for your characters by anyone?
by anyone.
Uh,
It's always so hard. Um, I guess Reveille by Kings of Leon. I used
Mm,
that in the audition. So that kind of feels really ingrained in Justin as a whole.
yeah.
But then also like all the silly songs about like trying to get someone else's girl, I always find really funny. I've listened to that sometimes before a scene in a really horrible way.
Hype yourself up
I hype myself
to steal
up.
his
I'm
girl.
not going to go after that handsome man Belmont, so better listen to some Bad Baby first, you know?
Art.
Just me.
Yeah.
It's
No, that's
his
great.
thing.
I just work here.
I was listening
Um,
to like a lot of ABBA, like Mamma
Ooh.
Mia soundtrack ABBA.
Yeah. I finally just saw Mamma Mia on Broadway last year,
Oh,
and that was so fun.
how fun.
It literally was like a party. It was great.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Um, Josh, I have to bring up, you are a major fan cast for the upcoming adaptation of Fourth Wing. People are so excited to see that project come to life. Have you
yeah.
seen that? Is there a potential that we could maybe see you riding a dragon in the future?
Oof, I guess I don't know, I've said it before, we'll leave it up to the scribes, I suppose, or the
Yeah.
writers, however you
Yeah.
want to say that.
Love that.
Yeah.
And last
Uh,
question. I
sorry.
think everybody is going to love this show when it drops. Is there anything that you guys are obsessed with right now? It doesn't have to be TV, but it can be.
Ooh, good question. Yes.
Um, phew.
Doesn't have to like it can be anything,
It can
any
be anything.
specific.
Like I had somebody say coffee the other day. Like it can be literally anything.
Oh God.
I just got like a mocha pot that
Ooh,
you yeah, from Italy and I've been learning how to use it. I'm really into that.
incredible.
God. This is not a sponsorship, but I've been super into Joe and the juice.
Dude,
I've been
the sandwiches or the
destroying
juice?
the juice. I've just been
Have
juicing.
you tried the sandwich?
No, it was okay. We're gonna get this.
Add it to the
Okay.
list.
We
Spicy
get
tuna cotto.
yeah.
Yeah,
Okay, incredible. I also need to try
Okay.
that. I also haven't tried that.
dude.
Well, we
Okay,
should
great.
do that.
Whoa.
Well, thank you guys so much for chatting with me. Congratulations on the show again, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.
Thanks, you
Thank you very
too.
much.
Thank you.